Hello everyone, hello students. In today's video, we are going to see the topic operators and operands in C. So what is operators? So operators indicate what action or operation to perform on operand. Means what action or operation to perform. So here you can see in this example, for example, A plus B. So you can clearly see what action or operation to perform here, that is the addition. That means what? Plus addition is the operator. Okay, now operands. Operand indicates what items to apply the action to. What items to apply the action to, for example, constant or variable. So you can clearly see addition operation is perform or apply on these two variable or constant, that is A and B. That means here this A and B are the operands and the plus sign, that means addition, is the operator. Now you clearly understood that what is operator and operand. Now you can see, now we will see what are the operators in C. So there are three types of operators in C: unary, binary and ternary. So what is unary? Unary means unary operators are the operators in which, or they are operates on a single operand, means only one operand, that means only one constant or variable. uh, then binary operators are operate on two operands. For example, A plus B means there are two operands, A and B, right? And unary, like you can see the increment decrement, that means minus minus P plus plus P, that means one operand, that means unary, binary. Then ternary. What is ternary? Ternary means it operates on the three operands. That means operators in C classified on the basis of the uh, operands, like one operand, two operand and three operands, right? So unary, binary and ternary. Then in unary there are six types again: increment and decrement, sizeof, unary minus, unary plus, not, address of operator. Six. Then binary, first type is arithmetic, second relational, third logical, fourth bitwise and fifth assignment operator. Now we will see one by one. First we will see the unary operators. As I already told you, unary operators in C, it operates on a single operand. It operates on a single operand, means any variable, constant, but of only one operand. Operand can be any constant, variable or function. Okay, now increment and decrement. The first type of unary is the increment or decrement operator. First understood what is increment and what is decrement, and then we will see the what is prefix and postfix for increment and decrement operator, right? So in increment operator means, in this operator we use this operator to increment the value of any variable by 1. That means here you can see the variable is P and it can be written as plus plus P. Plus plus P means P is the variable and it its value can be increased by 1 by using this increment operator, right? Now decrement means we can decrease the value of this P operator by 1 by written like this, minus minus P. Okay, now fourth, both increment and decrement type of operator has two types of writing, like prefix and postfix. Prefix means what? We have to write the operator before the variable, that means plus plus P. And in postfix we have to write the operator after the variable, that means P plus plus. So that is the postfix and this is the prefix. Now how exactly it works, I will show you by using the program. That means when we write plus plus P and P plus plus, what is the effect, I will show you. So you can see in this program, that means first we know that the in C program we have to first declare the header file, that is hash include stdio.h, then int main, that means main function, then parenthesis open, then your program we can start. Now int C, I have declared here int x and y. X and y, these are the variable I have declared here and these are the integer type. Then I have assigned x is equal to 10, y is equal to 11, and here is the most important part. That means I will show you the first I will show you the increment operator. Increment म्हणजे plus plus, means plus plus, increment operator, and that to what? Prefix. Prefix means we have to write that plus plus operator before the variable y. So what is the operation here? X is equal to plus plus y. Then what? Then output statements are like this: printf x is equal to percentage d, because percentage d is a format specifier, comma x. Then printf y is equal to percentage d, comma y. These are the output statements, right? Now I will show you the execute, compile and run. Okay, so here you can see x is equal to 12, y is equal to 12. Now you can now you will ask how this has happened. X is 10, right? But it will show you x is equal to 12, y is 11, but it will show you y is equal to 12. Why? Because of this increment operator. X is equal to plus y. How it operates, I will show you. So you can see here, first we have assigned what? We have assigned here x is equal to what? 10, right? X is equal to 10. Then we have assigned y is equal to, in program we have given y is equal to 11, correct? Now what is our what is our operation? That means how we have used the x is equal to what? Plus y. Okay, this is our uh, uh, prefix operator. So how prefix? Because we have written this operator, addition operator, before the variable. So how it works? So when we first we have assigned x is equal to c, x is equal to 10. So in computer memory, x variable has the value which is 10, and for y it is 11, before the prefix increment operation. Now what we are doing, this operation. So what is x before 10? But now what is x is equal to plus y? Y is what? 11. So first we have to prefix means we have to do plus means what? The variable y value is increased by 1. That means y is what now? Here what is the value? That is the 12. So what is the value after the value of x after the operation? That is x is equal to plus y, that means 12. Okay, and what is the y after this increment operation? It is also 12. So that's why we can see, after compile and run, we can get the result like x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 12. Now we have to now we have understood the prefix increment operation. Now we will see the postfix increment operation. Postfix means we have to write this addition operator, plus operator, after y. After y means after variable, that is the postfix operator. Now I will show you what is the answer. You can see the difference here. So you can see x is equal to 11, y is equal to 12. How this happened? Now I will show you. Now what is our operation? That is the postfix operator. We are using postfix operation. That means first we have to write y variable, and then we have to write the operator. So what does it mean? It means your value of y is incremented by plus means by 1 after the operation, right? After the operation means like here you can see what is our first x value? 10. What is value of y? That is 11. Now after this postfix operator, what happens? X is equal to what? Y. But we are not adding plus 1, because after y means it is a postfix operation. That means after this equal to, then this operation will happen, right? That means x is equal to y. So what is y? We have to first do this operation and then increment the value. So x is equal to what? X is equal to what? Y. And what is the value of y? That is the 11. So x is what now? 11. But after performing this operation, what is the y is what now? Y plus plus, that means y is 11 plus 1, that is the 12. That means x is 11 and y is 12. You can see in this program, I will again show you. Compile and run. Your x is here, your x is 11 and y is 12. So now I hope you understood the uh, prefix and postfix operation. That means in prefix operation you have to first add 1, right, and then equal to. And in postfix we have to first do this operation and then increment the value. That means in increment, now you understood what is the postfix and prefix operation, what are the values. Now I'm going to show you the decrement operation. That means for decrement we are using the minus minus sign. So here I will show you first the prefix operation. So prefix, I will show you x is equal to minus minus y, right? Now execute and compile. So here you can see x is equal to 10, y is equal to 10. How this happen? So I will show you. I will show you in this file, that is okay. So you can see what is the our first you in program, you can see x is what? 10. X is what? 10. Y is what? 11. Now we are performing the operation of decrement prefix. That means x is equal to, prefix means first we have to before the variable we have to write the uh, operator. So in prefix decrement we have to first assign, we have to first do the operation, that is the decrement the value of y by 1 and then assign to x, right? So when we in computer memory, x is variable, x is equal to 10, that means for x computer store the value for variable x is the 10. Then for y it will give, it will assign the value 11. Now after this prefix decrement operation, the value of x is what? We have to first decrement the value of y by 1, that is what? 11 minus 1, that is 10. So what is x? X is the 10, correct? And now what is y? Y is also what? Minus minus y means decrement operator, y value decrease by 1, that means again 10. So what is the value of x? Is 10, y is 10 after this prefix decrement operation. And practically I have already shown you by executing this program, is you can see x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10. I hope now you understood the decrement prefix operation. Now we will do the postfix decrement operation. That means we have to put the operators after the variable, that means y minus minus. So again I will show you after executing the program what is the values. So you can see x is equal to 11, y is equal to 10. Why this is so, I will show you. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 11. Now uh, now what is the operation? That means first we are performing the post fixed decrement operation. That means we have to first write the variable, that is the y, and then we have to write the postfix decrement operation, that is y minus minus. Now I will show you what are the values. So as I have told you, first is what is the value of x that is stored in x, that is 10. What is the value for y? That is 11. Now after this operation y minus minus, so in postfix we have to first assign this, we have to do this operation first, that is x is equal to y and then decrement the value by y. So what is the value of y? 11. So what is x is equal to y? That means 11. So now what is your x? X is the 11. But what is the new value of y after performing this operation? Y minus minus means y is 11. So 11 minus 1 is the 10. So your x is 11 and y is 10. Here you can see x is 11 and y is 10. So now I am sure you have understood the what is the postfix decrement and the prefix decrement operation. So in prefix, as I told you, in prefix operation we have to do first operation, that means increment or decrement by 1 and then assigning the value. And in postfix we have to first uh, do the operation on the variable and then increment the value or decrement the value. So now I hope you understood the increment decrement operator and what is prefix and postfix, right? Now next is the size of operator. So what is this size of operator? So size of operator is very important in C programming, because it is used to compute the size of operand or variable in bytes in memory of computer. Means what is, if we declared, so if we declare the for example, if we declared the value sorry, integer, for example we have declared the integer x, suppose we have declared integer x, and we have to find what is the uh, size of this integer x in the computer memory in bytes, in that too in bytes. Then we have to use this size of operator. Now I will show you the program for this practically. So size of operator program, you can see these two we all know, that is the include std header file, then main function, and then parenthesis open and program started. So you can see here I'm going to I will show you what is the, suppose I have declared the int x variable and I want to see the variable x, what is the size of the variable x in the computer memory in bytes. Then what is the, how to use this size of operator? So you just have to declare int x, then printf size of operator is percentage, percentage d is for int is integer, it is format specifier, comma size of, here you can use size of, and which value, which the variable x, which value we want to see, that is size of x, right? Just comma size of, here we can use this size of operator, and you can see, compile and run, you can see the size of variable is 4. So size of variable x is 4, is that means 4 bytes, right? Size of variable x, you can mention here any display message, that is x is percentage d, and again execute and compile, you can see the size of the variable x is 4 bytes, right? Now if you want to see the if we declare the variable x is character, right, it is not integer, then what is the value of, again we can execute, compile and run, you can see the size of the variable x is 1 byte. So for character the it shows the 1 byte, and for integer it shows the 4 bytes. So you can use the size of operator for computing the size of any variable in the computer memory in bytes, right? So I hope you understood the size of operator, then increment decrement operator, and what is the operators and operands in C. In the next video we will see the unary minus, unary plus, not address of the operator, what is the use of the address of the operator, not unary plus, unary minus, and how they work practically in C programming. I will show you practically the program and everything. So stay tuned, and we will see I will see you in next video. Till then, bye.